Hello guys, today I'll show you how can you create a video animation without any professional skills, and I will show you the easiest way how can you do it for your business or for your YouTube channel. You can create a intro or outro from this website called Canva. So if you don't know guys, the Canva, this is actually very popular graphics design web-based software, and recently they update actually their service. They added the video editing option, and previously they actually don't have. So they have lots of the stuff actually free, totally free, and if you want to go for premium, they also have premium feature as well. So I'll show you free, totally you don't have to pay, and this is actually very easy. I will create a intro for my channel, and you can guys get a idea how can do it. You don't need to be a professional, then you can do it yourself, and just click on video, and here you see guys have blank options. So if you want to create a video from scratch, then go for blank, and I will show you actually creating a template. And so this is actually looking good. I want to this template, and see, you can change the text, and you can change the logo, and you can change the color if you want. So first you see how actually this animation look like, and this animation length is 10 seconds. Click on that and see how actually look like. This is very nice, I guess. And here you see a bird actually flying. Anyway, so for editing this template, you have to go the template page, and here you see there have option. If you just bring your mouse icon here, then you can click on it and you can change this text. I will change this text to my channel name inside learning. So this is actually going down, so I will drag it here. If I could put in one line, yes, and make it small. So here you see how can you edit. You can change this text style as well. So here you see this is a style called Beth Ellen. So if you want to change this style, you just click on it, and here you have lots of styles you can do. And if I click on here, this is free style, and see how actually look like. So I will keep this style. I think this actually looking good, and I will change this uppercase here inside learning. So now actually looking more decent, and I will change this text big here. You can change this color as well if you want, and you can small, and you can do it big as you want. You can change this logo as well. So I want to put my logo for tutorial purpose here. Just delete this, and I don't want this text as well. Here delete, and I will put a logo I have uploaded recently here. So this is my logo, actually not transparent, that's why this will be very ugly. Anyway, I just put this for my tutorial purpose. Here you see, you can drag it anywhere you want, you can put it. So I'll put here, but this look not good. Anyway, just tutorial purpose I so see guys, this is very easy. You can download this template, and you can use for your own purpose. If you want to use for business, you can do. If you want to use for your YouTube channel, you can do. So this is the way guys how can you create a animation without any skills. If you find anything helpful from my video, and if you have any question, just comment below, and please like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel to get new video. And thanks for watching.